Hey there, folks. Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got something exciting for all you aspiring welders out there. We're taking a closer look at the YESWELDER 135Amp MIG Welder, a fantastic choice for beginners looking to dive into the world of welding. Let's get right into it. First off, let me tell you why this is the best MIG welder for beginners on the market. Whether you're new to welding or just looking for a versatile and affordable machine, the YESWELDER 135Amp has got you covered. Let's talk features. This welder is a 3-in-1 powerhouse, offering flux core, stick, and lift TIG welding capabilities. With up to 135 amps of power, you can tackle a wide range of projects. And don't worry about adjusting settings, because it's incredibly simple to use. The automatic voltage and wire feeding speed adjustments make your life easier. One of the standout features is its portability. Weighing in at just 11.4 pounds, you can easily take it anywhere your welding projects take you. It's a game changer for those who need to move around a lot. Safety is a top priority with this welder. It comes with automatic compensation for voltage fluctuation, overcurrent protection, and overload protection. Your safety is well taken care of. Now, let's talk materials. This machine can handle carbon steel and stainless steel with ease. So whether you're working on automotive repairs, household projects, or DIY crafts, you're in good hands. Now, you might be wondering about the price. At just $119.99, it's an incredible value for everything you're getting. And guess what? There's an additional $20 coupon you can apply, making it even more affordable. But it's not just about the product, it's about the company behind it. YESWELDER provides excellent customer support. If you run into any issues, they're quick to assist and ensure you have a smooth welding experience. In conclusion, the YESWELDER 135Amp MIG Welder is the best MIG welder for beginners. It's versatile, affordable, and user-friendly. So, whether you're starting your welding journey or need a reliable machine for your projects, this is an excellent choice. That's it for today's review, folks. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and happy welding!